Hey guys, Mr. Nakaoka here. The past couple weeks, you guys have been performing transformations. Today, you guys are going to take a little bit of a break. You guys are, instead of performing, you're going to be identifying transformations and sequence of transformations. Know that a sequence of transformation just means using two or more transformations in a row. So, for example, like translating and then reflecting, or reflecting then rotating. So, anyway, for this assignment, you guys will use this triangle transformation image to help you. So, wax paper. If you have it, you're going to need it. Wax paper was given to you with your math notebooks when you picked up your school supplies. I highly recommend getting it. It will make today's assignment a lot easier. So pause the video now and go find it. If you don't have wax paper, a thin piece of paper can work too. Basically, you need a piece of paper so you can trace over images and see it. So for this assignment, your goal is to determine the transformation that takes place to get from triangle to triangle. So from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, or even like 4 to 5, 8 to 9, etc. So if you have your wax paper, what I want you to do right now is turn up the brightness on your Chromebook and then place your wax paper over triangle 1 and then trace over it. I like to start with the vertices, the corners here, and then draw my lines through. All right, so we should be able to see the triangle. I can kind of move it around on my Chromebook and I can still kind of see its shape. So this will be really helpful. So if we remember our movements, we have translation, which is sliding. See how I'm sliding my triangle? This is what it looks like. We have rotating. We have 90 degrees is one turn, and then we have clockwise and we have counterclockwise. And then we have reflection. Reflect over the Y, and then we have reflect over the X, because we have our Y-axis, our X-axis. Anyway, so I'm going to give you guys an example here of what you guys are trying to do. If you see in the assignment, let me scroll down. You're going to determine how to get from triangle to triangle, such as 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and then you have to identify which movement or which transformation belongs to which triangle. All right, so to do 1 to 2, I'm going to give you guys an example here. You can take your triangle and you can, I know some of you guys can already kind of tell visually, but for here, if you take your wax paper, I'm going to try translating it, and I notice that it's not lined up on top of each other, so it's not translation. Let me try rotation. Try rotating it. Nope, not quite. And let's see. Maybe I can try reflection over the line. And boom, there you go. It lines up. So 1 to 2, to get from 1 to 2, it is a reflection over the y-axis. Let's try 2 to 3. To get from 2 to 3, let me go ahead and try another translation. I can slide up and to the right, and it is lined on top of it. So I know that 2 to 3 is a translation, and I'm going to count the squares carefully. It goes up 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from 2 to 3, it translates up 3 units and to the right 7 units. Now let's go ahead and try 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Let me try translating, which is sliding. Doesn't match up. Let me go ahead and try reflecting. Nope, not quite. Now let me go ahead and try rotation. I'm going to put my finger on the origin here, and let me try 1 turn, which is 90 degrees, and I'm going counterclockwise, and boom, there you go. I can see it lines up perfectly. So going from 3 to 4 is a rotation of 90 degrees because it's 1 turn, and this is going to the left is counterclockwise. So there you go. Good luck, guys. If you have any questions, just join the Zoom call. All right.